Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious avocado dessert. Avocados are not just for savory dishes. They bring an incredible creaminess and subtle flavor to sweet treats. We'll explore how to combine them with simple ingredients like natural sweeteners and a liquid base to create something truly special. Get ready to transform this amazing fruit into a delightful and surprisingly easy dessert that everyone will love. To begin, selecting the right ingredients is key. You'll want 2 or 3 perfectly ripe avocados. Their softness ensures a super smooth dessert. For sweetness, consider natural options like maple syrup or agave nectar, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, depending on your preference. A 1/2 cup of plant-based milk or coconut cream will provide the liquid base, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a tablespoon of cocoa powder will elevate the flavor profile beautifully. Making this dessert is incredibly simple. First, halve and pit your ripe avocados, then scoop their vibrant green flesh into a high-speed blender. Next, add your sweetener, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 cup, along with 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid base. Don't forget your flavoring, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, blend everything together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a luxurious, creamy texture. It should be free of any lumps. Once blended, transfer your delicious avocado dessert to serving dishes and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the dessert to firm up slightly. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or some toasted coconut flakes. Feel free to experiment with flavors. You could add lime juice for a zesty pudding or more cocoa for a rich mousse. Enjoy your homemade, healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.